Time to answer with fill in the blanks. First, the surface of moon is covered by a regolith, which is mixture of bush, rocky deserts. Second है the bright positions of the moon visible from the earth on different days are known as the. So यहाँ पे है focus of moon. And third है 70% of the surface of the earth is covered with water. And fourth है tides are formed due to gravitations of the sun and the moon. Okay, fact file का है it all of the data connected by the satellites in a year were put on DVDs and the stack would be nearly 4 times the height of the Empire State Buildings. Next है to state true and false. First है Neil Armstrong went to the moon is in the spacecraft sporting false. And second है the time period of lunar month is 30 days false. 29.5 days आएंगे. The moon passes through 12 phases false. Higher tides occur on new moon and full moon days true. Satellite any object moving around a planet in its orbit creates large deep holes on the surface of the moon formed by meteorites, pieces of rock from outer space that hit heavenly bodies, phases of the moon, bright positions of the moon visible from the earth and on the different days, tide, periodic rise and fall of water in the seas, ellipse shadows formed when the moon and the earth come in the straight live in with the sun, artificial satellites, man-made objects that orbit the earth. टाइम टू रिकॉल्ट मतलब कि देखते हैं कि इस चैप्टर का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू क्या है. द मून इज द ओनली नेचुरल सैटेलाइट ऑफ द अर्थ. The surface of the moon is rugged and uneven with plains, mountains, and hug craters. The moon has no air or water, therefore there is no life on the moon. चांद पे जीवन नहीं है क्योंकि वहाँ पे पानी नहीं है और एयर नहीं है, तो वहाँ पे लाइफ पॉसिबल नहीं है. टाइड्स आर caused by gravitation attraction of the moon and the sun and by the spinning of the earth. A lunar eclipse occurs when the shadow of the earth hide and whole or part of the moon. A solar eclipse occurs when the shadow of the moon hides a whole or part of the sun. Artificial satellites are used for weather forecasting, communication, and also collected various other informations. Let's practice. Take the correct answer. विच ऑफ द ए है हमारा विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नेचुरल सैटेलाइट ऑफ द अर्थ. अर्थ की पृथ्वी की नेचुरल सैटेलाइट कौन सी है, उपग्रह, जिसे आंसर आएगा मून. सेकेंड है बी है हाउ मच टाइम्स इज टेकन बाय द मून टू कंप्लीट वन रोटेशन अराउंड द अर्थ. पृथ्वी पूरा चक्कर कितने घंटों में लगाती है, कितने डेज में लगाती है, रोटेशन उसका कब कंप्लीट होता है. सो आंसर आएगा 29.5 डेज. देयर आर नो लाइफ ऑन द मून बिकॉज देयर आर नो एयर एंड देयर आर नो वाटर्स. ओके, एंड डी है हमारा द फर्स्ट सैटेलाइट टू बी लॉन्चड बाय रशियन साइंटिस्ट वॉज आर्यभट्ट. हमारे जो फर्स्ट रशियन साइंटिस्ट थे जिन्होंने सैटेलाइट लॉन्च किया था वो है आर्यभट्ट. And tides are caused by the gravitation pull of the moon, spinning of the earth, the revolution of the earth, and both. So answer is here both. And next step, write a true and false. The gravity of the moon is 1/10 the gravity of the earth. False. Lunar eclipse occur when the moon is between the earth and sun. False. The information of shadow depends upon the color of light source and object. False. The moon is a non-luminous body. For true. Solar eclipse occur on a full moon day. False.